Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Apple reviews for your site in Wix, Apple Store reviews. So what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company, and one of the widgets they make is a Apple Pay or Apple Store reviews. Click on sign up for free, and you want to sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you which one you choose. When you will have it, just click here login. Right here you have option in applications, and you want to write here Apple and Apple App Store reviews. Nice. Click on it. Now you have like reviews widget, carousel, slider, or grid. You really choose which one you like. Let's go with the reviews widget. Let's just click on continue with the template. You can just paste the App Store product URL. You got layout, review, and style. You can really edit it as much as you want. Then just click on save. Now you need to choose a plan. I recommend going with the basic or pro. Basic is like really 5,000 views monthly if you're starting out, or choose a light one if you don't have any views at month and you're starting. Choose the light. Nice. When we have it, let's copy the code here. Let's add the HTML. Enter the code. Voila, here we got it. Perfect Apple App Store reviews. You can really paste it as much as you want. As you can see, it's really nice and responsive. So this is how you can add Apple App Store reviews. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.